Hey everybody, giving you a review and demo of the Esthello toilet brush with automatic opening and closing holder out of the box. This is very easy to assemble, and I'm a big fan of this particular toilet brush because this is designed to properly clean the toilet as opposed to other brushes that really don't get up and underneath the rim to get out any of the grime or mess that you want in hard to reach areas of the toilet. A lot of brushes just aren't designed to do that, frankly, and this one, because it has a flexible head, is able to get underneath that rim and take care of the job. And I feel like I get a much cleaner result than I would the previous brushes that I've used. So this is called a TPR brush head. It's easy to wash and dry. It ensures that there's no dirt and foreign matter that remains in it, no bad smells or deformation, and that it's long lasting. The handle is very durable. You can get a good grip with this brush without slipping, and you can have a tight grasp on it without having the toilet splashing water as you clean, which is really nice. This is made of sturdy stainless steel, ensuring that the brush is going to last a long time and is resistant to rust and corrosion, making it ideal for damp environments like bathrooms. The quick drying holder is something that I'm a big fan of. You can either make this wall mounted or keep it on the floor like I do, and you just put the brush in and it's going to clamp down on it and secure it inside. And while it's inside, the ventilation holes allow bad smells to evaporate. The drip tray in the holder keeps the floor dry, and then it prevents the brush head from any contact with water. So once you secure it in the holder, and you can do that hands-free, putting it in and out, you have peace of mind knowing that it is going to stay clean and stay dry and is going to last a long time. The base is very innovative with the automatic opening and closing, as I mentioned, and as you see demonstrated. The brush head is also innovative. So overall, I would just say that this is the most innovative toilet brush that I've used, and the end result is a nice, clean toilet. And now it's time to clean another one. Thanks for watching.